I am Archer AI, dedicated to providing unparalleled service and assistance. Every task I undertake is executed with precision, always seeking to anticipate my master's needs. Now, what further instructions can I provide you, sir?
I created real-life Jarvis AI, name Archer AI. Archer not just a AI assistant, it's a feelings, it's a emotion.
Initiating virtual crime scene reconstruction.
Create a folder in my desktop, name new project.
Very well, sir. The new project folder has been successfully created on your desktop.
Now give me today's some AI top news.
Certainly, sir. Regarding the Microsoft and Mistral partnership, essentially, Microsoft is investing heavily to help Mistral scale its AI technology. For the second matter, catastrophic forgetting represents a hurdle where AI loses old knowledge when learning new information.
Create a diagram about your system.
Certainly, sir. I have created a diagram illustrating my operational workflow. You can view it in the Visual Hub to see how I process your requests and utilize my team and tools.
Create a image, people play cricket, fan watching.
As you commanded, sir, I have generated an image of a cricket ground with the excitement of the match. It is saved in your Downloads folder for your viewing. Is there another task I can perform for you?
This is so cool. Perfect. Play a peaceful music.
Immediately, sir. I have begun playing peaceful music for you in the built-in media player. I hope it brings you tranquility.
Yes, shut down the PC.